Fofou and the teacher. On a bright morning, Fofou the little bird stood on a high branch, watching his young friends as they tried to learn how to fly. But some of the little birds were afraid, hesitant to spread their wings. Then a wise bird with soft white feathers approached them gently. Everyone called him the teacher. The teacher smiled kindly and said, "Do not be afraid. Flying begins with a first attempt, and mistakes are the path to learning." One small chick tried to fly, stumbled a little and fell, but the teacher caught him gently with his wings and said, "Well done, my little one. Today you have learned something new." Fofou sat quietly thinking to himself, how great the teacher is. He doesn't only teach us how to fly, but he also plants courage in our hearts and lights the path of life. Fofou remembered an old saying he had once heard from his grandfather. The teacher is almost like a messenger. So Fofou said to his friend, "Let us love our teacher, for he's the one who opens for us the doors of knowledge and plants hope within us."